So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Flutter in Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. First of all, open Chrome browser and search for install Flutter. Here in the top you can see download Flutter SDK, click on that. Then in the top right corner click on get started. Here choose in which device you want to download. We want to download Windows, so let's click on Windows and choose type of app. Let's click on web for now. You can do same for desktop too. Scroll down a little bit. Here you can see an option of download and install. Click on download and install and then click on Flutter Windows zip. Choose the location you want to save the file and click on save. Here you can see the zip file has been started downloading. After downloading, create a folder where you can install Flutter, then extract the file into a directory you want to store the Flutter SDK. After that, your Flutter will be installed successfully in Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.